Hello everyone, my name is Shivansh Singh and I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I am living in New Delhi, Mayur, Vihar, phase 3, and I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application from APS University, Diva, Madhya Pradesh in 2021 with a 63.4 percentage. After that, I was a school teacher and I was teaching a computer science for my student for 1 year. After that, I searching for a IT job. Then my friend told me about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. It is the really best platform to get selected in the IT, because in the Evision we have learned many types of important subject and training program like networking and virtualization, Windows Administrator, Windows Server, MS Outlook, ITIL, CCNA, Linux Administration, Cyber Security. These are programs conducted in the Evision Technoserve. In my experience with a 45 days program, my experience, this is really awesome, because there are a teacher and there are teachers very talented and too much experience in the IT field, and they are properly guide to you how much things you required to learn and how to learn. And these I mean to say, it is a very good platform to join the Evision. After that, you definitely selected in the IT company. And thank you. This is my feedback, and really too much thank you so much Evision for making my career in IT. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.